Good day, this is a video series on electric vehicle chargers for home. We hope you find it informative. Whether you're a long-time electric vehicle owner or you're still waiting for your first EV to leave the factory floor, you should consider investing in a level 2 charger for your home. Most modern electric vehicles ship with a level 1 charger. These tend to be small, portable, and slow charging, thanks to their 120 volt output. But a 240 volt level 2 charger is the fastest way to juice up an EV at home, adding 4 or more times as many miles per hour of charge. They're also more likely to have premium features, such as a power cord that's long enough to reach across a 2-car garage or a wide variety of installation options. Please allow us to pass the rest of this presentation to our company Explainable AI Shy, or Interpretable AI, which will act as the point of reference for customers who need assistance or information and attend to their wishes and requirements.
Are you looking for a local, reliable and affordable EV charger for your home? Do you need a residential EV charger and solar contractor? Do you want to hire the #1 solar company in the industry, with years of experience and many great customer reviews? If so, you've come to the right place. We are fully licensed and insured and have performed residential solar, roofing and electrical vehicle home charger installation for hundreds of local and national clients. Whether you need electrical panel work, sub-panel, wiring installed, we can do it all. Contact one of our friendly staff now to get a free no-obligation quote on your residential contracting work. Introducing Electric Vehicle Chargers by Power. Power now offers EV chargers installed as part of the Power Installation Agreement, which is a great opportunity to bring homeowners more value by offering EV outlets and EV chargers along with their solar project. EV chargers are not currently available for existing customers or as a standalone offering. They are only available as an add-on to a solar installation performed by Power. Add value to solar projects for customers who own an EV or are considering one in the future. This is a convenient time to design and install an EV charger. It also promotes the electrification of fossil fuels in line with Power's mission. What is Power's EV charger offering? Power offers level 2 electric vehicle, EV, chargers and EV outlets to complement our offerings to homeowners who are making the shift to clean energy home services. Electric vehicle owners do 80% of their charging at home, and now Power is enabling sellers to offer these solutions to customers so they can charge their EVs with their own affordable clean energy directly from their roof. The installation process for EV chargers. What work does Power provide for EV chargers? Power has 2 options for customers who wish to install an EV charger conveniently along with their solar project. The first option is simply installing a 40-amp EV outlet for the customer, so they can purchase and plug in their level 2 charger whenever they are ready. The second option is a complete level 2 charger installation along with the EV outlet, so the customer is ready to plug in and charge their vehicle right away. What does the 40-amp EV outlet installation include? The EV outlet is a 40-amp outlet that a level 2 EV charger plugs into in order to supply more power and faster charging times for electric vehicles. This is a high-voltage plug that offers faster charging, with less equipment, at an affordable price. Are there any technical considerations for the EV outlet installation? In order to safely connect a 40-amp EV outlet, the circuit connected to the main electrical panel or sub-panel must be rated to 125% of the charger's continuous load. As part of the EV outlet installation, Power will install a dedicated 40A circuit in the electric panel along with a 14 to 50 plug. There must be sufficient space in the home's electric panel, or a main panel upgrade may be required. Contact one of our friendly staff now to get a free no-obligation quote on your residential contract needs. All the pertinent contact information is below this video. We are here to serve. Thanks for your patronage.
We hope we provided you with enough information to help our customers to begin to make an informed decision. We are in the residential construction business, as it relates to solar premium installations, with additional adders which include but not limited to electrical vehicle chargers and residential roofing. If you're in the process of buying an EV, and you want the fastest possible at-home charge right out of the gate, if you already own an EV, and you're thinking about leveling up literally from a sluggish level 1 charger to a speedier level 2 charger, this guide is for you. If you're just here to learn, welcome. We encourage you to subscribe to stay up to date on all the new latest features. We hope you find what you're looking for. Offers EV chargers installed as part of the Power Installation Agreement, which is a great opportunity to bring homeowners more value by offering EV outlets and EV chargers along with their solar project. EV chargers are not currently available for existing customers or as a standalone offering. They are only available as an add-on to a solar installation performed by Power. We look forward to serving you. Thank you.